Hi, and welcome in the video third of the series, How You Can Be Delightful During Stressful Situation. So my dear friends, I hope and I believe that you must have seen the first two videos of this series and you must have understood what stress is and how does your mind works, what are those five major senses by which we receives the data, and then how the network of neurons directly connects with 60 trillion cells and how things happens in your life. So in this video, I'll be talking about the perception. Basically, in my second video, as I discussed that we receive the data through five major senses: your eyes, ears, skin, mouth, and nose. So when I said that we receive the information, in this video, you will actually understand that we never receive the information as it is. You might be surprised now that then why did I mention that in my second video? Because if in my second video I'll directly say that we never receive thing, you might not understand the concept of how mind works. So I'm just going step by step so that it will make sense and you will understand it in a better way. So when I said that by using five major senses, we receive data, so here I am correcting it as we never receive it as it is. We perceive. We give it our own meaning. So whatever is happening in outer world, we never receive it as it is. However, we make it according to us. So from receive, it becomes perceive. So we are perceiving. And now your question would be, how do we do that? So to understand that, as in my previous video, I made you understand the concept of our mind, how it works, the major five senses. Now, you have to understand this concept, that how do we perceive things. So when I have drawn here our mind, so we all are born with a natural filter in our brain. So it's D, and G. So first D stands for delete, second D stands for distort, and third, G stands for generalized. My dear friends, whenever we use our senses and receives the data, the information, it immediately goes to the filter. And after the filter, receive the information which comes out of this filter becomes our perception, which is nothing but giving a meaning to what we have received. In present situation, whatever is happening in the world, we are receiving it through our eyes by what we are watching in news, by what we are seeing in social media, by what we are listening through our ears. So by listening, using our senses, we are receiving the data, but when it is passing through the filter, we are making or we are giving it a new meaning altogether. So now you must be wondering about what this filter is all about. My dear friends, let us understand in this video about this very unique and great filter which we are being blessed with. So as I said, the first filter, which is delete. So you must be, you can relate it to it, that when you go out from your home to a place, a destination, you come across or you see so many things while on the way. But when you reach to the destination, do you remember everything? Do you remember all the vehicles you saw while traveling? Do you remember all the shops, or do you remember all the trees, or any person you saw? Do you remember everything? Certainly not. Because your mind knows that it has to delete a lot of information. It just cannot keep everything into it. It keeps on deleting the information which you do not require. So this is how our first filter works, which is nothing but deletion. Your mind is capable enough to decide and delete what is not required for it. Sometimes it is good also, and sometimes it is bad also. which I'll be explaining you in my further coming videos, how this is good and how this is bad. So you have understood that first filter is delete. You are listening to so much of information nowadays. I am sure that the good information, I don't know how many of you are keeping that or how many of you are deleting it, but most of the time we are deleting the good information, like the people are being saved or the people are being cured, and we are focusing more on how many deaths are occurring across the globe. So moving further, you have now understood the function of the delete filter. Second filter comes in the picture, which is distortion. So as the name suggests, distortion, it actually distort the meaning of what is happening around you. It gives a new meaning to the outer world event. So to understand it better, I will give you an example. A baby boy is sitting in the home in the evening. He just sees that his father has just entered after the work, and he threw his bag on the couch and he immediately went inside the room. Now the outer event suggests that his father was in a hurry, or he was thinking something else. That's why he just threw the bag and he went inside the room. However, the child, he distorted the meaning of the outer event, and what he said just after seeing this: Papa doesn't love me, Dad doesn't love me. Why? Because he just threw the bag and he did not even look at me. He just went inside the room. So the outer world situation was something else. Now the child has given it a new meaning. Similarly, we also do with so many things. What is actually happening or what has actually happened, we give it a new meaning based on our own beliefs. This is how we distort the information. We distort the meaning. We give it a new meaning according to us, according to our beliefs, according to what we think. So this is how the second filter works, which is distortion. You give it a new meaning. Now comes into the picture third and very important filter, which is generalized. See, in this world there are two kinds of truth. One is universal, one is generalized. So universal truth, 2 plus 2 is 4. You can go across the globe and anybody would say yes, 2 plus 2 is 4. So India is in Asia. It's the fact, it's the universal truth. Nobody can deny that. However, if you say something, like something which is not the universal truth, so certainly many people won't agree with that. There are many beliefs in Asia that we believe, but which European people, they don't believe. So these things are just beliefs, but they are not the universal truth. For example, no gain without pain. Do you think that it's a universal truth? Certainly not. For someone, it might have been the truth that he might have had a lot of pain, and then after that he gained something, so he simply wrote it. But do you think that it is possible, or it is actually truth for everyone? No. There are people in this world, they only gain without pain, because that is how they have made their mentality, that they deserve the gain, they deserve all the happiness in this world. They do not accept pain at all. They're not expecting pain. So this is how generalized beliefs plays a big role in our life. We always filter, or we always try to differentiate between the reality and the generalized belief, and then we give it a new meaning that yes, this is the truth. But in our life there are many things which are not the universal truth. They are simply a generalized truth. So you must be aware of these kind of truths next time when somebody says you something that yes, this is what it is. You must ask yourself that is this the universal truth? If not, do not agree and give it a new meaning. Develop a new belief that yes, I can do it and I deserve to have this happiness in my life. So this is how the filters are working in our life. So I hope that you must have liked the video in which I have discussed about the filters. in my coming video, I'll discuss about how the perception after this filter decides your mental state. And then in the next coming videos, I'll tell you how your mental state is directly linked with your health, with your career, with your performance. And you will be amazed to know the reality. So keep watching my videos, and thank you so much for appreciating and for encouraging me to make these videos. Thank you once again.